We have updates for today's video, but they are not the general one that you see on your Twitter feed. These are some generic specific updates which I want you to listen to very closely. So we jump straight onto the laptop, and the first one is a $800 PR account which is earned from DYM free airdrop. And what are we talking about? Well, here is another similar opportunity for the dimension look around, whoever did the dimension or anybody that didn't participate. Here we go, a free airdrop with a 5% allocated to the community token, which is the Minds project, which is backed by Dimension and Celestia. So Dimension stakers as well as Celestia staker could be in for a nice airdrop over here. And the steps are very simple. First of all, as we see from the picture over here, you connect your wallet over on the website and you connect your social points. Now, you have the possibility from following different airdrop, from following different pages. It is a pretty simple airdrop, as you see over here as well, from claiming the testnet trees to participate in transaction to mint the fragment daily, as well as a daily update to always keep it up. So a very simple, kind of like airdrop, which is 10 minutes to do, which is good for all of you, and as well as another airdrop. And this one, by the way, you will receive it also if you're a Dimension staker or a Stiat staker, so let me know down in the comments below if you are. But another airdrop which is very interesting to go and be part right now is the Skatepark. All you have to do is to join through the link in the description, and you will have to simply complete a few steps, which is interact with Twitter to prove you're a human, as well as claiming this NFT, which is absolutely free on their testnet. Now, on the top, also over here on the left, you have the possibility to connect the wallet to get the testnet faucet. Simply connect the wallet over here, select the wallet that you have. I will go and interact with the MetaMask wallet over here. Now, one thing very important, as I do have it right now, for example, if you are connected to a VPN, make sure you disconnect. So we go and disconnect the VPN right now, and we go and close the application immediately, so we do not have any connection to the VPN. And now we can go and interact with the wallet itself. So we go and close this page and we open it once again, connect the wallet over on MetaMask. As we see over here, we have the possibility to go and sign in. So sign in to your wallet over on MetaMask or any other wallet that you want to go and proceed. You got the skate faucet, you can go and click that you're not a robot, and you can send the Nolly Ethereum for the insufficient funds. So if you do see this one over here, come back again and try it in a couple of minutes because it is quite congested, or go and talk to them over on their Discord, Telegram, or so what, and keep on doing it so that you have interaction with the protocol, with the wallet. There is a leaderboard as well on the top over here, which you can see over my total ollies, the points that you can accumulate. There are over 500,000 people, so make sure to go and collect different possibilities of points and quite a bit of points. I should be in the top 1,000, which is pretty nice, but definitely go and keep interacting with the faucet. Try to claim it as much as possible. Following up, a little update on the Sanctum airdrop, which if you want to join, it's a very promising airdrop over on the Solana community. If you do not know it, I have now got the global rank is moving, the cupcakes, etc. I got 3 pets. I got the Jupiter one because I do have Solana stacked with the Jupiter Solana. It's giving me 10% interest. I do not use them, so I decided to go and put them over here. I have the Infinite one, and I got the Solana Drift. Now, the nice thing about this, which I will leave you the link down below, if you go over on Jupiter, because I have the Jupiter account, this is for anybody that goes and play with perpetual trading, longing and shorting a position, which I do not suggest if you do not know how to use it. But as we see over here, I lost. In this case, if it goes to the point that I lose my funds, which is $146, the liquidation price, I can easily add collateral, as we see over here on the possibility of the collateral. I could add also the Jupiter Solana that I do have, this one over here, which I could put to the maximum, and you see that the price goes down because I do leverage less position at a 1.1, or I can simply go and edit the collateral that I do have within my position from the settings over here. So you can add a stop and loss, take profit, whatever you want, close, and you can edit the collateral to go and add more, so that my liquidation price, as you see, I can also do it with the Jupiter Solana, it can be way less. Over here we can go and put 4, and we can see that the leverage just goes down, but also the liquidation price goes down. So that is why I decided to go and stick with the Sanctum situation with the Jupiter Solana Infinite, because it is the the landmark of the protocol. But let me know your level down in the comments below. Following up, we got an update on the LayerZero situation, and in my opinion, one good turnaround that they've done for the cyber situation. So they have implemented a bonding mechanism. The bounty hunters must deposit at least half an Ethereum. So if you want to go and play about, if you want to go and risk people their airdrop, you need to go and deposit at least at the time of recording $1,900, which not many people have to go and simply deposit there. So we are already removing quite a percentage of people that just spams the airdrop. So very good in my opinion. Those who have already reported on GitHub must pay the bond. So this, it's already something that will eliminate even further people. So really, the only people left to go and do this is people that are really, you know, they're walking the walk and talking the talk, so that they know what they're doing with their money on the line. The bonds will be returned if the report is good, and will be burned if it doesn't meet the criteria below. So, you know, now your money is at stake. I wonder how many people are going to do this, and the reports will be way less if their money is at stake. And there is a 10% bounty reward for successful reports. Yes, the bonds will be burned if the individual copies others' work. Spam reports, so somebody that just simply spams everybody, cannot be that. Lack of methodology and the fraudulent reporting. So in my opinion, definitely a big thumbs up for what LayerZero is doing, the achievement that they're trying to reach. Now, the bounty program makes sense. It is not a spam and go situation, but you actually need to be proof of what you're doing. So definitely a big, nice step forward with the right direction. Following up, we got the claim of the Kashmir Labs RPG points, which, as you see over here, the Kashmir Labs is an intern-centric omnisane AMM. Is redistribution points that were not claimed in the season 1 to season 1 claimer. So if you have a claimer of this one, I personally, I didn't even follow them, so I do not even know. I'm not pretending that I do know this airdrop, nor that I received it. You can claim your points here at the points.kashmir.exchange, which I will leave you a link down below. 600 plus points were distributed for the testnet NFT who claimed their points. 1000 plus points were distributed for the mainnet NFT, and claimers without the NFT received 50 plus points. So another airdrop. If you were part of this airdrop, you're getting a second possibility to earn more. So definitely a big thumbs up to this one, which I do think is a criteria that people or airdrop protocols should go and follow if they want to do a successful airdrop and keep the community happy. Following up, we got the JetSwap claiming of the Gitcoin grant round 19 supporter. So yes, we are the 19th round. If you donated $1 or more to the JetSwap in the Gitcoin grant round of 19, you can claim this NFT, which you are able to go and claim through the Galaxy quest. After claiming, be sure to obtain the GD19 role over on Guild, which I will leave you the link down below to go and receive it. So go to here, claim it, have the younger JetSwap contributor round of 19, retweet and retweet, then go over to the Guild possibility and claim the NFT. Super simple to do, could potentially lead and will definitely lead to a bigger and wider airdrop for the future, in my opinion. Following up, we got the eligibility for the LayerZero RFP rewards. The steps is very simple. Go on wenser.xyz over here, which I will leave you the link down below. Enter the wallet address and check if your address are found in the list. If you've seen the green possibility over here, congratulations, you have the possibility to do it. We can go and check it together as we see over here from this protocol. You don't have to sign anything. Okay, in my zone, it doesn't load. In this case, yes. If it doesn't load, go and open it with another server, with a VPN, with something like that. And go and check if you do receive, like this one, the address found over on any of these, you will receive a percentage, as we see here, 0.2%, etc., which is really nice to see. And last but not least, this is simply a speculation for the dBridge airdrop. And what are we talking about? Well, dBridge airdrop is this one over here, but it has been mentioned by Binance official research page. Could this mean that they are already in talks to go and be eligible to be put and placed over on dBridge, or better, over on Binance? Only speculation, but it does look nice. As we see here, I am keeping on farming my point situation. I got 300. I want to reach at least 400,000, but I'm super happy to be part. If you want to join my community, thank you very much. Here is the referral links. We're 159 of us. I do receive, as we see here, close to 400,000 tokens or points. But as we see, the competition is getting really heavy. So my aim will be to go and be at least part of the top 100. That would be great to remain top of 100. But now it's a real game of simply who has the more money to burn, who has the more money to spend. is simply scaling the leaderboard. I still do daily transactions simply because I want to keep my count up. For example, as we see over here, from Matic, I will send over, for example, let's say 3 Matics, I will send over more than what I burn, but it's simply to go and utilize the transaction, to confirm the trades, to collect the points, and to have the possibility to really always be there on a daily basis, to keep always active, in case that is one of the acclimates that they ask, even though it probably is not, but simply go and utilize it on a day-to-day basis. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think about these updates down in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.